Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Study YouTube channel. In this video, we learn and execute a Java program of Design and Analysis of Algorithms Lab. The program should create a Java class called Student with USN, name, branch, and phone as variables in it. And it should create n student objects and print USN, name, branch, and phone of these objects with suitable headings. Before going to write a program, just we represent a class student in a graphical representation as given. In this, student is class name. USN, name, branch, phone are data members, and insert record and display record functions are member functions of class student. Before executing the program practically, program flow will be given as import statement followed by class definition. Then student class contain data members, USN, name, branch, and phone. The member functions insert record, display record, and main function. The insert record assigns values to USN, name, branch, and phone to its respective student objects. Display record prints the student data. And finally, main function, which I will explain in detail while executing the program. Now we will type and execute the program in Ubuntu operating system. You should know we use three commands. One is gedit, which is used to open editor. Second one is Java C, used to compile Java programs. Finally, Java command, which is used to execute Java programs. So in Ubuntu operating system, we need to open terminal and then use gedit command followed by name of the file to open for typing. Here we are using student.java as a file name since student is the main class in the program. First, we need to import all the packages we are using in the program. In this program, we are using scanner. So importing its package java.util.scanner. Next, as we see in class representation, we go on writing the statements. Start with public class student. Within we declare data members, that is USN. Since USN is a combination of number and alphabets, we declare string as its data type. Same way, data members name branch as string but phone number as long. There we go with two number functions, insert record function, which takes four parameters USN, name, branch, and phone number. Another one, display record function, and by default main function. Now we write definition for all three functions one by one. First, in insert record function, we assign student USN, name, branch, and phone values to data members of the respective objects. That is, USN is equal to IUSN, name is equal to IName, branch is equals to IBranch, and phone is equals to iPhone. In display record functions, we use println to display student object content, that is system.out.println followed by USN, name, branch and phone. Now in main function, first declare 100 objects for class student. Then we declare looping variable I and initialize it to 0. Now for reading input, we declare a scanner SC which takes inputs from system.in. Then by using variable, we read number of students and store to variable n. Now using for loop, we dynamically allocate memory for n student objects. That is S of I is equal to new student of. Now our next task is to read each and every student's USN, name, branch and phone number and store that to the student object. That is system.out.println enter the student's USN, name, branch and phone number. That is we read USN, we read name, we read branch and we read phone number. Now we call insert record function by passing USN, name, branch and phone number as arguments. Next, we call display function with respect to object of student class to display students information. That is system.out.println students details are for I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. S of I dot display record function. Now we execute the program, save and close editor. Type java c student.java which will compile the Java program. Next type java student. Here I am entering 3 students data, that is first student's USN and name, branch and phone number. Now the second student's USN, name, branch, and phone number. And the last student's name, USN, name, branch, and phone number. Here's the output. In next video, we'll see about next program. Thank you for watching the video. Any questions? Please comment. See you all on our social media accounts. Thank you and support us by subscribing.